Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to professionally reject a job offer. Rejecting a job offer can feel daunting, but it is an important step to handle with grace and confidence. Maintaining a positive professional image is absolutely essential in today's interconnected world, spanning across industries and roles. A thoughtful and polite response leaves a lasting good impression, thereby keeping doors open for potential future collaborations. Remember, your reputation often precedes you, influencing opportunities for years to come. Your rejection message should be clear, concise, and respectful. Begin by sincerely thanking the hiring manager for their valuable time and careful consideration throughout the interview process. Then, clearly and directly state that you are declining the offer, perhaps mentioning you have accepted a different position or are pursuing other professional paths. There is no need for lengthy or overly detailed explanations. Honesty combined with brevity always works best and maintains a professional tone. Timeliness is a mark of professionalism. Aim to respond within 1 or 2 business days, allowing them to move forward with other candidates. Email is often preferred for documentation, but a brief, courteous phone call might be appropriate if you had extensive direct contact with the hiring manager. Conclude by wishing them well in finding the right person for the role, and perhaps suggest connecting on a professional networking platform for future opportunities. A strong closing reinforces your professionalism. Your message should be brief, respectful, and firm in its decision. An example might be, "Thank you again for the offer. I will not be moving forward at this time, but I appreciate your consideration." This approach avoids unnecessary details while maintaining a positive impression. Always end on a high note, wishing them the very best in their continued search for a suitable candidate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.